Hello all, welcome to this video again. Today it's the big event of Jackson's Hole, where Powell is gonna say his thoughts on the US economy. Okay, we don't know the US economy, we were expecting Powell to tell us. Okay, most of the noobs expect that Fed is gonna pivot. This is new shit of Twitter. Pivot, yes. And markets will keep going up, and dollar finally will melt, blah blah blah, all this bullshit. Listen guys, the only problem is what is the best to go short, euro dollar or GBP euro or GBP dollar. We see this morning the pound collapsing because one 25 years old kid print out a report in Citibank saying that parity is coming. When I was talking about parity last year, it was trading above 140. Okay, of course pound will collapse. This kid is clever. He's trying to take advantage of the current trend. Because we see here the situation. Okay, you want 4 hours chart, put 4 hours chart, even worse. The situation is so clear. If you know the basics of technical analysis, there is no chance this to going up. You are fucking idiot if you believe this is going up. I mean technical speaking, because fundamental, forget them. They are gonna go deep in the recession. Okay, and Bank of England will have to print billions of pounds to support the falling UK economy and companies, especially after Brexit. As I told when Brexit happened, pound would suffer. I don't know what people were thinking when pound was trading above 130. Here, it was no brainer to short, so easy money. This 20% move since last year, it's the perfect gift. Okay, and now there is only this low holding the pound before collapsing to parity. There is nothing to support this crap. Let's go back to the euro, because it's a little bit interesting. What to say here? I was shorting this crap since last summer. This is 118, 117. Before even the war has started. When the war started, we were trading here just above 114. And I said parity is coming, guys. Go back to my feed this time. I don't bother even to go to prove you anything. The ones that follow me know. And I said parity is coming. And of course, when the breakdown happened and we were trading above near parity, everybody turned bearish and said, okay, we're going to parity. We go to 0.95, 0.98. But you know, we are going much lower. See the video from yesterday if you want to understand where. Okay, let's move to intraday, because we are expecting Powell to give the tune now. So let's go back to 30-minute chart. Okay, what can we expect now? Okay, Powell will start talking blah 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 blah, and of course dollar will move up, so euro dollar will move down. In any case, I told you we are not gonna see parity again, but if we see any spike towards parity, I don't believe we are gonna see, short with both hands. It's the only sure thing. The only sure thing, and you are not gonna listen, nobody, even the perma bulls of dollar. Tell me who is the biggest bull of dollar that you know. Santiago Fund? Okay, he was lucky in the trend because his theory is wrong. I have analyzed this many times. Anyway, even he's not certain about what dollar is gonna do. Only me, I am certain. Dollar is gonna going up, so euro dollar is going down. This is the only sure thing. I don't know about stock markets may go up, down. I know where they will go, but I'm not so certain as the euro dollar. Euro dollar is going down no matter what. Even if he says pivot, even if he says I will cut rates, euro dollar will just go a little bit up and then collapse. This is the only sure thing, guys. The only problem is how you will manage your leverage, because there is no way you can lose shorting the euro dollar. I keep saying that all those days, and of course those that listen to me make money. Okay, so be ready to short any spike if you see any. I don't believe, and the lower level will come. How low? Of course, we are gonna break 99 for sure, and where this stops, to be honest, I don't see any support. We are gonna trade much lower to test 0.98 something. So I'm expecting 100 150 pips lower. Okay, let's see the pound. The pound, okay, we have also the kid in Citibank suggesting it's gonna melt to the parity. Actually, this is a good reason that will give a boost in the pound. For example, if dollar was not so strong, we see this kind of crap reports, be certain that it's gonna move to the opposite direction big. Anyway, for the pound, short any spike towards 118, of course, if we see any, and first stop is gonna be 117, and I believe, we are gonna break lower. We are gonna see 116 something today. Okay, let's go USD CAD. USD CAD, it's a little bit different story because it's multifaction. There is also oil price and stock markets taken into account in this trading. But after Jackson Hole, we are gonna see 130, I believe. For sure, this is going to break to the upside. There is no reason for this not to. Dollar is gonna fly after the event. You see here how it is. What to say? I don't understand really. Forget the fundamentals. You are a technical trader, okay? Why you would short this? Tell me. Why? Tell me. This bull is fiery bull. He's gonna crash everything. Typical bull flag, okay. You don't need anything else to see here. Okay, even if we see a leg down that we are not, we are gonna see higher leg breaking to new highs. This is going above 110, guys. Be certain. I believe we are gonna see today, but okay, next days it's okay, it's fine for us. Okay, let's see gold. Gold, you know that I'm one of the biggest long-term gold bulls, but the current trading situation implies that we are going lower, and of course the main reason is the dollar strength. So I'm expecting lower levels today for gold too. This that I'm very bullish, and I still wonder why it is trading below 100 is oil. Oil will rip to the upside for sure, no matter what else is gonna do. Oil is going up. And let's go to S&P, that is very interesting. Of course, because I don't expect Fed to pivot and bullshit like that, this is gonna break lower. Of course, the long-term trend, the mid-term, let's say, it's to the upside. Okay, so if we see any spike lower below 4100, I believe it's worth the risk to buy it and play this range, 100 200 pips range, 4100 support, 4300 resistance. Okay. I believe we covered enough. The main reason, the main thing that you must keep is to buy the dollar at any cost, guys. You cannot lose being a long dollar. Okay, see you after the event and in the feed, of course, in the Twitter feed. Bye all.